Hey everybody, question for today is, what resources are available for individual inventors? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've helped inventors now for over 10 years, achieving almost 500 patents as of today. I'm here to help with answering this question. No doubt by me being here on this video, I'm helping individual inventors. But there's some really cool things out there. I want to talk about three major areas for individual inventors as they move forward to protect their invention. What resources are available? So first one, right below, the Bold Inventors Kit. Don't miss it. Click on that link. That's got a ton of information for you or anyone you might know that might be an individual inventor doing it on their own, learning about this process for the first time. So this video course is, and this whole library and the channel that I've created with the Bold Inventor Show is for you, is for the individual inventor. So patent attorneys, other experts in the area, specialists that deal with inventions, patents, or commercializing those inventions, they do publish a lot of really good, valuable content on YouTube, on places like websites, blog articles, Reddit, you name it. Lots of online research and online materials for you to consume. Now, if you want to go to this source, I have been impressed with what the USPTO.gov has done on their website. Their online materials have become pretty darn good. And I think that's a great resource for you as an individual inventor, is to work with the patent office themselves, work with materials and the outlines they've given, both for lay inventors for the first time or those that are more rigorous and want to look at the MPEP, the manual for practicing examining procedures, to know what the examiners are looking at before they submit their application. So resources, that's number one. Educational resources that are free online. Second major resource for individual inventors is attorneys. You probably guessed it, but talking with a patent attorney will be your biggest leg up over others that don't hire counsel. This resource will give you that look ahead to see what your invention scope might be by letting the patent attorney in on your invention and allowing them to give you a patent opinion, patentability opinion. Is it really something worth filing? Even if that you could get a patent on it, is it going to be worth it in the end? So number one, free resources online. Number two, getting the resource of your attorney, talking with a patent attorney. And the big number three is working with others. So as soon as you get your patent application filed, you're going to open up tons of doors, so long as you're able to get that patent application filed and your priority date set. So there's no risk when it comes to disclosing or bringing your product to market. So others could mean bringing on a business partner, could mean a co-inventor, and could also mean selling your product to the open public and getting the customers' feedback on what your invention is doing, how it's been performing, and whether they're willing to pay for the price you're asking. So talking with others, getting feedback is resource number three. There's nothing else like it in terms of will you be able to make money in this market. So again, I'll outline the big three resources for individual inventors. Free resources available. Do your own diligence and research. Learn about the patent process online. Watch videos, YouTube. Go to websites. Talk with people. Number two, find an attorney. Rely on counsel. Ask them questions about, the hard questions about, is this invention worth filing? Will I be able to make money on it? And then number three, talk with others. Resources meaning other influencers, other parties that could be in business with you or selling to the customer. Outright getting the public feedback without any type of, frill or fluff. They're going to give it to you straight. All right, everybody, hope this was helpful for you. There's tons of resources out there and available for individual inventors. I do have one here on this video right below. Click on the Bold Inventors Kit. That is for you. Great resource for you to get started today. So thanks for being with me today. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.